Hey everyone, welcome back to another exciting episode. Today, we're diving into a pre-programmed, ready-to-use electronic project from Schogini Toys, the police car lighting kit. It's super simple to get started. Just pop in 3 AA batteries, flip the switch, and you're set. This kit isn't just about flashy lights, it boasts various blinking patterns and even includes buzzer alarm sounds for that authentic police car vibe. And guess what? You can easily extend the LED lights using the included jumper wires. This means you can fit these cool lights into any toy police car, turning it into an awesome project for your next school science fair. So, gear up to bring a mini patrol car to life with this kit. Remember, it's all about building, learning, and having fun with Shogini Toys DIY kits. Stay tuned for more, and let's keep creating amazing things together.